Good evening, and thank you so much for being here in my group AI community, where I'm gonna be record some video and teaching the topic that you request or at least you vote for. So for today video, we had three topics. One it was about the AI voice agent. Another one it was about the DM management for comment and Instagram, and another one it was about the automation for the content published. I think those were the three top, but as I see the last time, the top that higher got more votes in terms of the percentage is the AI voice agent. So this video, I'm gonna be just give you a quick demo how you can build a very simple AI agent and very quick. And then I can talk a little bit how you can expand and make this use case something that you can sell to the business, and something a little bit more advanced. I can talk about that, but if it's something that you have a really interesting, there will be next video follow-up that I can go more into detail. For this one, it's just a quick AI voice agent, how you can set up, how you can start play with it, and then so on. Okay, so without the further conversation, I'm gonna just dive in right away into what is the topic for today. And for you that it's not part of my community, it's totally free. It's on Facebook, where I put at least 2-3 topics, and the members gonna vote. The one that has higher vote is the one that I'm gonna create a content just to give us some quick introduction to help. Okay, so very interesting. So I'm gonna just share my screen and walk you guys through what I have prepared for this demo today. Okay, so like I mentioned during the introduction, for this demo I'm going to show you how quickly you can create AI voice agent. I'm going to be using Retail AI, which is the platform that I have some experience, and as you see I have built some AI agents, and then I'm going to just create new one. Okay, so just to give you context, like I mentioned, this is our AI community. We are very small still, but we are growing fast. So today it's going to be about AI voice agent automation. It has 34%. Another two top has 32%, but no problem at all. These tops can be again on the pool for vote, and then maybe you're gonna get a chance to, for me to do a demo on those topics. Okay. And especially those topics that I put it here, they are topics that I create maybe a larger content on YouTube, and users have some question. I bring them to this group where I can make a video and to answer those questions. I find out that it's not very helpful for me to answer the question on the comment on the YouTube. Here I can create a video, something like less, let's say more quickly, less professional, I will say, so I can answer those questions. Okay, so let's just dive in what I have prepared for the video today. So first thing, so you have to create your retail account. Okay, it's not free. As you see, I spent some money, not that much, because I haven't played too much yet, but you have to buy a phone number. Okay, you have to buy a phone number. It's not that much, it's only $2. That's not a big deal. And then when you buy a phone number, you're going to create your first AI agent. Okay, so one thing they do very well that I like a lot, it's they can have a pre-template that you can use based on your use case. Okay, so let's say you want an AI agent for real estate lead qualification. They have some template already with some best practice how you can build agent to do real estate lead qualification. Of course, you're gonna have to tweaks to kind of follow into your business requirement, what you're trying to accomplish, but it's really awesome. Okay, so we have a conversation flow agent, which is a little bit more advanced, but it's very interesting. Actually, I'm building one more complex AI agent. I'm using the conversation flow. There is a single prompt, which is, it's a little simple. It's a little complex. I will say that it's one AI agent that has to do a specific task. I think this is the most appropriate, and this is what I'm gonna do today. And there is a multi-prompt AI agent, which also give them more flexibility and have the conversation a little bit more structured, okay? Because you can AI agent to talk with another AI agent to handle that phone call, for example, if that's the case, okay? But so far so good. So I'm gonna just use the single prompt AI agent for the demo. For the sake of the demo, I'm gonna build something very simple, and then I'm gonna start everything from scratch, okay, with a blank template, and I'm gonna create, okay? So this AI agent, I'm gonna call this restaurant manager, okay? I actually restaurant AI assistant, okay? So basically it's just the AI get a phone call and then get the customer information, and then it's gonna make a reservation for the customer and then send the confirmation. Very simple, okay? So I won't be able to demo in this video because I want this video to be short. I won't be able to demo everything, but if you guys found this very interesting, the next time I put a poll, you guys can say AI agent, and then I will continue to explore this one more, okay? So this space here, it's where you're gonna put your prompt, what AI is gonna do, and this is what I'm gonna do. I just before I start to record a video, I come to the ChatGPT and then say, hey, just create a prompt for this AI agent, and this is what I'm gonna do. Very simple, and the ChatGPT already gave me this prompt, nothing complex. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna keep the prompt, copy the prompt, like you just see here, okay? And I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna just put the prompt and save it, okay? I'm gonna say that the AI speak first. I don't like when the AI has to wait until the user speak to talk. I don't like it. And then you can just start to test your AI right away by just click here.
Hi there. Thank you for calling Restaurant Name. This is Paul, your assistant restaurant manager. How are you doing today?
I'm doing very well. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking. It's always a pleasure to hear from our guests. How can I assist you today? Are you looking to make a reservation with us?
Yes, I want to make a reservation for tomorrow, 1 p.m. For oh, okay. It just interrupted me. Okay, so and then okay, that's good. It keep interrupting me. That's not nice. Okay, we can address that two ways. We can update the prompt to make the AI, please, when the customer is speaking, just wait until the customer finish and then you talk. You can do that. But one thing that it's very important, I can go over a little bit here. So your AI agent can have more capability, okay? Capability, things that he can do, okay? By call functions, okay? So functions are really important. You have a function to end a call, okay? That's very basic. You can put on your script end a call at certain point, because if you don't put that, it's not going to end a call because he doesn't know, okay? You can put a function to transfer call. There is a scenario that you're going to need to transfer call, but I'm not going to add that here. I'm going to add that when I need to do that. And then we have an agent transfer. This is very powerful. It can transfer at center point to other agent, and other agent will do let's say different task. So this is powerful. Let me tell you this. So you have this AI agent, let's say you have this prompt for this AI agent to do specific things, but if you get into the conversation that you need to do something else, let's say you call to the restaurant and you want to, let's say, make a down payment. Down payment, I mean, like you want to make a deposit, but he doesn't take deposit. He can transfer to the AI agent, they can take the deposit. This is one just quick example, okay? So, and then here, if you want to use this call.com calendar as a booking system, you have all the API that you need to book, to check and book system on that as well. This is for you to accept the digit on the phone. Press 1 for that, press 2 for that. You can do that as well. This is just to send SMS capability. So it's a little bit more complex because You have to have a number register, and that number has to be go through the regulation process, at least on the United States. Like say Tulio is one of the provider that you can give your number, and the number has capability to send SMS. It's a little bit more complex, and this is a little bit advanced. I just want to go over very quickly. So you can extract dynamic variables, okay? So basically, if you call API or something and the API returns some data, you can use this extract dynamic variable to retrieve that data from that API. And how you're gonna call the API with the custom function. The custom function here, your people name, your description, and here's the API that you're gonna call to get some data, whatever the need that this AI agent need to continue to work. So it's very powerful. And if this is one of the top that you find very interesting, I will have opportunity to explore each one of this area with you. If that comes the case, I like to talk about the things that my community, my friends here are very interesting, so I can make good use of your time. Okay, that's all. So one thing that I'm gonna say here, this is very important. End the call. End the call calling the function. I will say it's a and the call all lowercase. Okay, so this is very important because each call that you make cost, and then if you don't know how to end the call, you're going to be in trouble because it's not going to end. It doesn't know that. So I'm just saying, I can say end the call with a function after take all customer information and let them know that you are going to make reservation and send confirmation. Okay. Oh, let me fix some typing. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, good. Let me save this. Okay, good. And then maybe I can publish this as well. Okay, that's totally fine. I will talk of this. So, okay, so this prompt engineer here, so one of the things when you build an AI agent, either way, voice AI agent and type AI agent, one thing that you're going to be spend a lot of time is to test the prompt engineer. Because AI, it's going to do whatever you tell him to do. If you don't know how to ask AI how to do things for you, it's not going to do that very well. So you're going to have to test a different prompt engineer until the point that AI is doing exactly what you want them to do. Okay? Okay, so basically, this is just very simple how you can create one AI voice agent. And I'm gonna try that again, but as you see, this prompt engineer need to be a little bit more sophisticated. But one thing that I find out very interesting, retail AI has so many options in terms of the voice. So you can just choose 11 labs. Everything is here. I like the one. I think it was Paul. Yes, I like Paul. He.
Hey there, I'm Paul.
Yes.
Dedicated helper.
I like the
Let's
voice.
work on your request.
Yeah.
What task can I help with today?
Okay. So let's see if I can test it.
Hi there. Thank you for calling Restaurant Name. This is Paul, your assistant restaurant manager. How are you doing today?
I'm doing very well. How are you doing?
I'm glad to hear you're doing well. I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. How can I assist you today? Would you like to make a reservation with us?
Yes, I want to make a reservation for tomorrow 1 p.m. Me and my wife.
Wonderful. I'd be happy to help with your reservation for tomorrow at 1 p.m. for you and your wife. May I start by getting your full name, please?
Yes, Justiniano Alves.
Thank you, Mr. Alves. Could I please have a phone number where we can reach you, just in case we need to contact you about your reservation?
Yes, 508 00 0000.
Thank you for providing your phone number. And could I also have your email address so I can send you a confirmation for your reservation?
jalves at I cannot give my email public.com.
Thank you, Mr. Alves. Just to confirm, your email isjalves at iCannotGiveYouMyMailPublic.com. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's
All set. Thank you so much, Mr. Alves. I'll check our availability as soon as possible. No need to stay on the line. I've got everything I need. Have a wonderful day, and we look forward to welcoming you both soon.
Thank you. Okay, it just end the call because I put this last instruction at the end. So one thing that you have to do that it's very important, it's now I can just so one thing so for example now I'm let's see here, now basically I'm just click on the test. I'm click on the test. As you can see, I'm click on the test to test this. But one thing you can do, you can attach a phone number to your AI agent. So you can come here to this AI agent assistant. Let's see if I can. Okay, so let's go to the phone number. Let's go to the demo. This is the phone number. I'm gonna put this restaurant. Okay, this restaurant AI agent. I just give that phone number. So okay, so now it has a phone number. So what I'm gonna do, let me publish the last version. Okay, so one thing I can do now, because I gave the AI a phone number, I can call. So now I can call. Before I cannot call because it didn't have a phone number. This is the demo. So now I can call over the phone because I have the phone number that I bought.
Restaurant manager.
So I don't
How
have.
are you doing today?
So I don't have to go over again. But as you see, you can literally talk to your build your AI agent, assign a phone number, and do that. So this is just a quick demo how you can build one AI agent and play with that. But if this is something that really interests you, I can go more into detail how you can build each function, custom function, and all of that. And there's other things that it's very important. Knowledge base, it's basically you can upload any document about the restaurant menu, everything you can put it there. But then you have the speech configuration from the AI, if you want a background noise when the AI speak or not. Let's say the AI is 1% responsive. I like to make a little bit slower because you saw it was speak over me. So I don't want them to be very fast respond. I want to make that a little bit slower. There's other things. Actually, this is all configuration. In terms of the quality of the voice. But one thing that it's very important is the call setting. You want to say, for example, how long should be the call? Because you don't want the call to be long. For me, the call should be at least 5 minutes because I don't want to spend much time on the call. It has cost, all those things. Actually, end the call in silence, maybe like if 20 seconds, no one is talking, finish the call. Maximum duration of the call, I will say 5 minutes for this type the AI agent. And I think, and another thing that it's very important, you can put a URL of your webhook, and after the call, it will send you the all summary conversation that happened during the call, just for you to have that as well. Okay, and then your webhook can receive that summary and do anything. So I can demo all these things here because I haven't done that. But just if this is again the next step on the conversation with the higher priority, I will do another video to talk about the AI agent. Okay, I hope you guys find this very helpful, and then see you in the next video, maybe about the AI agent. Okay, thank you so much.